Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do online medicine business. First, pinpoint your specific niche within the vast healthcare landscape. Are you focusing on teledermatology, mental health, or perhaps chronic disease management? Next, craft a detailed business plan. This document should clearly define your services, operational costs, and projected revenue streams. Finally, ensure you have adequate funding. Initial investments can range significantly, often requiring $50,000 or more to cover technology, licensing, and early marketing efforts. Navigating the legal and regulatory landscape is crucial for an online medicine business. You must secure all appropriate medical licenses and certifications for your specific services and location. Adherence to HIPAA regulations is non-negotiable to safeguard patient health information. Additionally, familiarize yourself with both state and federal telehealth laws, as these can differ widely and impact how you deliver care across different regions. Staying compliant ensures your business operates ethically and legally. Setting up the right technology and operational processes is key for efficiency. Choose a secure, HIPAA-compliant telehealth platform that supports video consultations and secure messaging. Integrate a reliable electronic health record, or EHR, system to manage patient data, prescriptions, and medical histories digitally. Finally, streamline your online scheduling and billing processes. This ensures a smooth experience for both your patients and your administrative team, making your practice more accessible and professional. To ensure sustainable growth, focus on effective marketing strategies. Build a professional website that clearly outlines your services and patient benefits. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your target audience and share valuable health information. Implement targeted digital marketing campaigns, perhaps using search engine optimization or paid ads, to reach potential patients actively seeking online medical care. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Continuously gather patient feedback to refine your services and foster long-term relationships.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.